are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. In towards them, and a shot! Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Forward it goes. He's made sure that that won't get through. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
Higuain gets into a dangerous position.
Just to point out, Peter, that the fullbacks are quite high.
And what are they trying to achieve?
Well, it's obviously a move to push the opposition wide men back and give them more to think about.
Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Say that was an exemplary tackle, stopped him dead in his tracks. That's it into the middle. That intervention was very necessary. Yedlin goes direct to the front line. Done very well to intervene. Cristiano Ronaldo. Danger averted for now. Great leap! Here comes another cross. It's a brilliant interception. Matuidi. And it's played forward. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Forward. What does he try from here? Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. And it's Higuain. Battles to win it back. Could move up a gear here. He's off on a marauding run. A buccaneering run from the defender. Well read, he sorted that out. Sousa. A searching ball out wide. Oh, looks like he's been taken out there. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch.
Well, you could see he was eager to get a shot away, but there was too much flesh and bone in his path.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Up to meet it! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Dashing forward at pace. He spotted the run and played him through. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. It's a good run, that. Great timing.
Well, it seems obvious that the plan is to try and get their passing game going. Cristiano Ronaldo!
He's got away with one there.
Oh, that was great pressure to force the initial error, Peter. It's the perfect example as to why this is a favourite tactic of a lot of teams these days.
That is going to be the final action of the first half. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goalless. The midway point of the game.
What an